Beijing Hengsheng Weiye Technology Company Limited, established in 2015. We are located in Beijing with convenient transportation access, with a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of process calibration tools, portable test equipment, and handheld calibrators for process. With more than 8 years production capacity, HSIN mainly products are automated pressure calibrators, digital pressure test gauge, digital pressure calibrators, temperature calibration and calibration pressure pumps, and multifunction process calibrators. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE and ISO 9001 certificates, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. HSIN service more than 20 countries and regions around the world, such as Germany. We are committed to our partner satisfaction through quality products, competitive pricing, service and technical support, and innovative products. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our 10s are innovation, process, trust, sincerely, and win-win. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.